In this video, I will show you how to invite all your friends to like your Facebook page at once. So basically, what you're gonna have to do is simply open the app and then go to your menu. So simply tap on the menu button, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply scroll down until you see the pages button. So simply tap on pages, and then here you're gonna see all the pages you manage. So you're gonna have to simply tap on the one that you want to invite them. So I'm gonna go with this one here. So you're gonna have to tap on it. Don't tap on switch now. You're gonna have to simply tap on the Facebook page profile picture, and then here what you're gonna have to do next is simply tap on these three dots next to the messages button, and as you can see you have this invite friends button. So simply tap on that, and as you can see at the top you can select all of them. So basically this will send invitations to all your friends at once, and then they can like it, they can see it. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.